Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to create a Wrike account step by step so you can start managing projects, tracking tasks, and working with your team online. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the official Wrike website. Open your browser and search for Wrike. Click on the official site to begin. Step 2. Click Start for Free. On the homepage, you'll see a button that says Start for Free or Try for Free. Click that to open the sign-up page. Step 3. Enter your email address. Type in your email. It's recommended to use a professional or work email if you're planning to use Wrike with a team. Step 4. Create your login details. Set a strong password. You may also be asked to enter your name and basic account information. Step 5. Verify your email. Wrike will send a confirmation email. Open it and click the verification link to activate your account. Step 6. Set up your workspace. After verification, Wrike will ask about your company's size, role, and how you plan to use the platform. Fill this out to personalize your workspace. Step 7. Create your first project or folder. Once inside the dashboard, click New Project or New Folder to start organizing your tasks. Step 8. Invite your team members. You can add coworkers by entering their email addresses. They'll receive an invite to join your workspace. That's it. Your Wrike account is ready, and you can now manage projects and collaborate smoothly. See you in the next guide.